Hi there, I'm Michael with Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Sumo Springs custom suspension stabilizer and Suede control kit. This kit is going to help reinforce the rear suspension on your 2020 Freightliner M 106 and 112. It's also going to work on your 2000 through 2013 Ford F650 and F750. These extra leaf springs are going to help prevent any sagging and reduce the sway by up to about 30%. So they are going to help lift your truck when you're carrying a heavy load and prevent it from bottoming out. They're also going to help compensate for windy conditions, such as wind turbulence hitting the side of your big rig. And it's also going to help with weight shifts from cornering. These will work like sway bars to help stabilize your OEM springs, help keep them from twisting if you were to hit a pothole or have sudden jolt on one side or the other. So they are going to be a really nice add-on for you. They have a weight capacity of 6,600 pounds. Now keep in mind that is not going to increase your vehicle's weight carrying capacity. So think of it less like a second set of hands that's helping you lift more weight. Think of it more like a back brace that's there to help give support, but it's not going to make you any stronger. It's just there to help reduce the wear and tear over the long run. So these are going to do a great job of reducing that wear and tear to help extend the life of your brakes, tires, and your factory suspension. So it is going to be a great addition for your setup. These will adjust automatically to your payload. So the rollers on each side here are going to activate when your OEM springs flex under your load. And then when your springs aren't under a load, the rollers will then deactivate. So it's all based on your original OEM springs. These are going to install very easily right above your existing factory springs. You're not going to have to do any drilling. They will just bolt in place on top of the springs. You can see they do include these dense polyurethane blocks that seat between the top of your factory springs and the underside of our Sumo Springs to help prevent any metal on metal rubbing or shifting. The attachment shackles that are going to bolt in place have several different options. So you can see we can adjust our roller between these three mounting points. So that's going to allow us the option to customize our setup. So if we need increased load support and ride height to compensate for consistent heavy loads or minor spring fatigue on our older vehicles, we can set it up at the tallest setting so that it's going to be a little bit more firm for us. We can also set it at the lowest setting to maintain more of the original factory ride conditions, minimize the effect of when we have an unloaded ride, so that our ride quality and height is going to be pretty much the same, just going to give a little extra support. Or we can put it in the middle for more of a balanced support height and ride comfort. So kind of three different options there. Set it up. You really just have to do that when you're installing it. So get it installed one time, and there's going to be no maintenance. So unlike your airbags that you have to make sure that you always have constant pressure in there. You check them, make sure you're not getting too low on air pressure or anything like that. These aren't going to require any of that kind of maintenance. Once you get them installed, they're just going to do what you need them to do. They do include instructions with very detailed pictures to help you get them installed. So very simple process for you. These are made here in the USA, so you can trust they're made to the high quality standards that we've come to know and trust for products that are made here in the US. And they do come with a limited lifetime warranty. So if you were to have any problems with them, you're more than welcome to reach out to us. We're always happy to work with our customers, make sure that you're getting good quality products and having a good experience. And I think these are going to be a really nice add-on for your heavy-duty vehicles that are needing a little extra support. These are going to do a really good job for you. So that's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with Etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.